Hi guys, today I will show you how you can use UCUPAINT and paint your models in pixel art. For this showcase I will use just this simple model of rock for my game because I really hate talking and painting some complicated models. First, what we need to do? We need to check is scale applied on this model. We select model and click N. Scale is applied, then we can go UV and wrap it. If scale is not applied, just select your model, click Ctrl A and apply this scale. I mark this seam, I will select everything and go like minimal stretch, and you can go whatever you want. And we will go check UVs. I will just select this UV, hit L and just scale a bit so it do not touch each others. So for this is very important for you to have good UVs, so it do not touch, because we will make our painting bleed like 2 pixels over the edge. Take your time and make good UVs for your models. And it's good to have like these big chunks of UV, so do not go smart. And don't forget, when you UV wrap your object, make materials for that. Okay, now I'm in texture paint. I will select my models and I will use UCUPAINT. If you don't have UCUPAINT add-on installed, it's very good add-on and it's most useful thing for texture painting in Blender. I'll click my model and click new UCU mode and click OK. Before you start painting, go here in texture paint, and here when you have your stroke, your fallout out, here you need to go in constant. Now next step is go in your object mode, select your object, and I will add here, click on this plus and add new solid color with image mask. Here I will go 120L by 120L pixels. You can go lower, just 64, or you can go higher to 56. And what's important here is this linear we will change to closest and click OK. And now when you click here on color, you can change color and paint. When you go in your texture paint mode, you can paint your pixel art on your artwork. So for truly to be this pixel art, if you are a person that have time to take like 1 month and paint perfect pixel art of your model, then you just lower the size of 1 pixel or maybe 5 and go pixel by pixel. But I will show you my way for painting. It's for you do not want to see lazy people, but for people who do not have opportunity, they are solo delf like me and cannot afford themselves to paint 1 model months. So I will show you my way. You can paint every model in like half an hour or hour. For this I will make the size of my brushes like 200, lower strength. And I will go here in brushes, and in brushes I will go in textures and add a new texture and click this button here. And now we are in brushes, so I will just add cloud. And now I will just check bleed. Bleed is 2, that is okay. And now when I paint, you see with this noise, don't forget here in mapping to go in random. And now you see when you paint your models, you see there is like perfect pixel art, and you can just relax and paint it. Maybe lower strength of your brush, and you can paint beautiful things in like 30 minutes. This is what I'm using for my game because I'm solo developer. Now I will show you a couple of tricks. I like to do is like have a like top layer, it's like 1 color, and you can just drop opacity. And don't forget, in UCUPAINT, when you are painting white, you are painting colors, and when you are painting black, you are removing it. In like 0.5 you can add another mask, move it down, and now you can paint like bottom shadows. You see, you can now it's just play time. what's great for UCUPAINT, if you do not like this color, you can just lower it and change it, you know. You can add how many layers do you want. That is UCUPAINT. So for my game I do not use normal roughness, and I just using this one image 128 pixels. So my game is low poly, and that's good enough for me. Now I will show you how to bake this image when you have. When you are satisfied, go in your shadings. We have here our materials of this object. Click on your object or material. I will just go Shift A and add image. I will call it albedo. So this image needs to be the same size of our UCUPAINT node size. So 128, and we do not want to alpha, or we can leave it. You can turn off alpha and you can leave it. When you leave the alpha, I will show you. When you leave the alpha, click on your object, go here in render, in cycle GPU 100, okay, bake, diffuse, bake, uncheck your direct indirect light, size of margin of this size is our bleed over the edge. I will leave 2 pixels, okay, and I will click bake. So when you leave alpha, you see you get this image without background. And now what I like to do, because when you bake it without alpha, you will get black background. Now I take this I will just take this image in my photo manipulation software and just add some similar background to this. And now when you are satisfied, just save it. Okay, I'm in Affinity. I uploaded my image. I will just add this shape, move it down, and just change its color of some similar to this rock, you see. And now I will just save this image and just apply it to my game engine. And after you're done with your background, just add your image here and connect it in base color, and then you can export your models like GLT format, whatever you want. So that will be everything for this video. Thank you, and please like, comment and subscribe.